If you felt like you can't make connections with women, or like when you go out to places and you have like friends that effortlessly talk to women and you don't understand what they're doing that you're not doing, basically what this is going to teach you is the power of being able to understand not just women, but it's how to understand people in general. And there's three major things that we're going to cover today that is going to allow you to improve your emotional intelligence. This is going to make you more emotionally intelligent, because these are the things that you are going to focus on intentionally, so that way it can become second nature, and that you can have these connections with these girls that you want, with these friends, network with these people, because you understand human behavior and emotional intelligence. The very first thing that I put down that you should focus on and that you need to focus on is learning how to read body language. People are going to show you what they're saying before they actually tell you what they're saying. You definitely want to listen to what people are saying, but you also want to pay attention to the body language, because body language is a language for a reason. They're going to tell you how they feel emotionally by how they are presenting themselves. That's just how we are. That's why it's important to focus on your body language as well, because how you present yourself is how people are going to receive it you are. So if you give shy and awkward and your body language is like this, they're just going to think that you're shy and awkward, especially if you're not speaking up. If you are showing a certain body language, then your words are matching up with that body language. You're just proving to somebody that you are who you're presenting. So if I have unconfident body language and then I say unconfident things because that's what I believe about myself, then I'm going to project to somebody that I am unconfident. And that is a big issue that guys may be dealing with. It's something that I have dealt with before. If you can focus on your body language, that's an automatic improvement. It's definitely going to allow you to understand how they feel and how you can receive a message based off of how they're presenting their body language. And that's just the very first thing. At the end, I'm going to tell y'all how y'all can actually take action on these and use it every day and get better at it. You'll be better at it within the next week. The second thing that you need to focus on, learning how to be interested. A common mistake is guys, they'll be like trying to be interesting so that women are more intrigued with who you are. You want that interesting personality. You want that interesting look. You just want to be interesting to somebody else. But the real key to being interesting to somebody else, for us guys that you won't see on social media, that does work in real life, is being interested into the person that you're talking to. There's one thing that everybody loves to talk about, that anybody can talk on and on about. It's only one thing, and that's themselves. So you want to listen, not to have a conversation. You want to listen for understanding. If you're looking for understanding, you won't just take everything as an answer because you're now curious on what they actually meant on a deeper level. That's what it means to have a deep conversation. Not necessarily what is your family dynamic like, which is a personal like question, but it doesn't make it a deep question. What will make it a deep question is peeling back the surface and actually understanding what is going on in the conversation. If y'all watch Love Island, a perfect person or two people are Ace and Nick. Ace and Nick are the best people on there. They're going to listen to the person. They're able to read people because people always express who they are. We just don't take the time to actually be interested in who they are. So we never receive the person that they're showing us. And that's how we end up with the wrong girls, getting our feelings hurt. If you're interested in somebody and they're always talking, they're going to eventually be interested in you because they've done all the talking and realize that you haven't really told them anything about yourself. But that's not why we're doing it. We're not doing it to be mysterious. We're actually doing it because we're actually interested. Because when you're actually interested, you ask questions, genuine questions that you actually want to know, and that allows the conversation to flow. Guys be scared to approach women because they don't want an awkward encounter. But a very natural encounter comes from a very natural conversation. A very natural conversation just comes from you being able to speak with your mind and ask the things that you want to ask. You think she's pretty and you want her Instagram or you want her number, so tell her that. You think she's pretty, you want to know if she has a boyfriend or is she single, ask her if she got a boyfriend. It's no right or wrong thing. The wrong thing to do is actually to copy somebody else unless it's real life game. You're not copying the script just because he said, how you doing? My name is boom, 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 and you reading it script for script. No, he could have said something in the interaction that was worth taking, and that's how you add to your bag. First, you want to learn how to learn body language, and then you want to learn how to genuinely be interested in someone. And the third most important thing, and the last thing, is you need to apply this. We're not just applying it at the same time. To actually apply, you have to focus in on something. So, or the first one, the first day, apply it tomorrow. Your very next interaction, pay attention to their body language. And then your next interaction, actually pay attention to actually being interested in that person. They're a stranger, you know nothing about them. Or if even if they aren't a stranger, you don't know everything about them. What do you find interesting about them? What do you want to know about them? Like, ask them something that what's something that you think people don't understand about you that you wish was better understood. Damn, I might have cooked with that question. I ain't gonna cap. What's something that you think people don't understand about you that you wish they did? Whoo, whoo. That's tough. I think that's tough. All right. So I told y'all the power of understanding women. I told y'all what y'all need to focus on to understand women. I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how y'all can do that. All right. I'm gonna keep it very simple. Keep it very simple. First, tomorrow, you're going to go interact with somebody. Or you don't even have to interact with somebody. You can actually people watch and pay attention to people's demeanors. You're going to see a lot of people walking normal. Then you're going to see somebody who may seem down. You may see somebody with a smile who is uppity. Maybe it could be a cashier. It could be somebody outside. Like, just pay attention to their body language. Just pay attention, because it's not gonna make sense to you. But just be aware. Just be aware of how people are gonna be normal. You're gonna see normal people, but you're gonna see happy people when people are arguing, or you can tell if people are arguing by their body language. Look at their face. Can you hear their tone? Like, this is what I want you to pay attention to tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, I want you to pay attention to being interested in a person genuinely. So ask them a good question, something that you may want to know that you may have been holding back asking, something that you may want to figure out about them that you don't think they would know. Like, I don't know, you can come up with it's whatever you want to ask, and just focus on that and be interested and be genuinely interested. Be interested in that person. Like, actually really want to know until you have a deeper understanding. That person should feel like you should feel like you know that person damn near in one call. Because the questions that you're asking them, you're actually listening to what they're saying, and what you don't understand, you ask for deeper understanding. And when you do understand, state what you understand so you can clarify to them that you understand. Because if you understand, they gonna say yes, exactly. And they're going to feel like you understand them and you relate them and you make a connection with them, which most guys don't do, because most guys don't even approach. When they do approach, they don't ask genuine questions. They're not genuinely interested. So it's not a great interaction, and it's therefore not that connection. That's an emotional connection. This is not the only emotional connection you can make, but this is a great way you can make an emotional connection, especially if you're an introvert. Extroverted people, they can laugh, make jokes. Naturally, we're shy and closed. Get straight to the point. Get straight to the point and be confident about it. Right? Be interested with them. Be interested in them. Be interested. Just learn about them and make a connection to understand them. All right. And if you do those things, I promise you, you will develop emotional intelligence and you will be able to make connections with girls effortlessly, because it's really rinse and repeat. You see what works for you, you double down on it. All right, you're gonna learn what girls to talk to, what a situations to avoid, how to tell what girls to approach, how to tell if you can ask for her number, if you can escalate it, how to read if she really into you, if not. It all comes from emotional intelligence, being able to read people and understand people. All right. If you enjoy this, like it up. I need a like. Make sure that you come back to this video so that you can actually figure out what you're doing on this day. Am I focusing on body language, or am I focusing on getting to know them? All right. And then after a while, it's going to intertwine. You're going to focus on body language and still be able to understand, and it's going to become natural. All right. So make sure you like the video, share it to somebody who need it. Come back to this if you need it, and I'll catch y'all next video.